Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into your Delta account and note the exact miles and their expiration. Once done, make sure to check any companion certificates, status credits, and partner program balances that may offset cost. Next, enter travel dates and a flexible window of at least 2 to 3 days so you can compare award options quickly. This initial sweep saves time and prevents surprises, with balances and dates pinned. You're ready to search award space and compare saver versus flexible awards immediately. You should now search broadly. Run the Delta. Award search, then cross-check SkyTeam partners and alliance partners for lower mileage pricing. Once you pull results, compare one-way versus round-trip pricing because sometimes 2 one-way awards cost less. Make sure to look at mixed cabin itineraries and nearby airports for big savings. Also use the multi-city tool and filter for 24-hour connections or intentional stopovers when useful. By expanding options this way, you increase chances of finding true saver awards. You're ready to book. If Delta shows the award complete online, if only a partner displays space, call Delta to ticket it and note the ticketing agent's confirmation. Once booked, immediately verify taxes, fees, baggage allowance, and change/refund rules, and take screenshots of confirmation numbers. If a seat isn't assigned or miles don't deduct correctly, escalate to a supervisor, keep timestamps, and request manual adjustment. A single troubleshooting tip: call within 24 hours. Agents can often correct partner ticketing quirks faster than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.